Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to disable notifications on TikTok. So let's begin right away. So there are actually two steps in disabling TikTok notifications. So the first one is simply go to your settings. So let's just go back first, and then let's open settings once again. Go to notifications right here and look for TikTok. So once you can see TikTok, simply click on it and then make sure to turn off the toggle button by clicking on the toggle button found on the rightmost part and make sure that it has turned into gray and not green. And then let's just turn it back on. And for the second step, you can actually disable notifications on TikTok using the TikTok app. So click on TikTok and then click on your profile found on the lower right corner. Click on the three lines found on the upper right corner and then click on Settings and Privacy. Once you are here, go to Content and Activity and click on Push Notifications. Click on Push Notifications and make sure to turn off all of these so that the notifications will be disabled. So again, click on the toggle button found on the rightmost part and make sure that the toggle button has turned into gray and not green. So turn off the notifications that you don't want. And then once you have turned off everything, simply click on the back button found on the the upper left corner. Press on it and then that's it. That's how you can disable notifications on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.